Angel.B coming at you with another look. So this one, I just threw some colors together. I did see another look when, I want to say it was Instagram, but she did a cut crease and I did a halo. And the colors were totally different. So I went off of the lime green that she did. That was the only color that I did take from the picture. But if you want to see how I beat this face as usual, make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the PLousie base, and I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lid to create a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Juvia's Place Velvets palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take shade 3, and I'm going to put this into my crease, and then I'm going to do little by little and build it up. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Berries palette by Juvia's Place, and the shade is 1. And I'm going to go ahead and put this right beside that dark purple, and then I'm going to blend it upwards. Alright, to soften that pink that I just put down, I'm going to take a lighter shade in the Berries palette, and that shade is number 2. And I'm going to use this and bring it up towards my brow bone. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Colourpop Honey, and the shade is actually Beehive. The shades actually fell out the palette and I just threw them back into the case, but the shade is Beehive. So I'm just taking that yellow and I'm going to just go ahead and soften up the pink, and then I'm going to just go back and forth between the shades that I did put down and blend them all together. That way they're well blended, everything. I'm not losing anything. Alright, to make this cut crease, we're going to use the PLousie Acid Range. I'm sorry, y'all, my words is all over the place. But it's blank canvas, and I'm going to just go ahead and use this and carve out the shape that I want for my halo. And then, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I don't remember the name of the shade. So it's the metallic green that you see here in the middle, and I'm going to just place this in the middle of my eyelid, and that's it. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the Berries palette, and I'm going to take this shade 1 again, and we're going to put the same shades that we used on our eye onto the inner part and the outer part of the halo. Alright, so I'm going back into the Velvets palette, and I'm going to use shade 3, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of each side of my halo, and then I'm going to go back with all the other shades and make sure everything is blended. Alright, so I'm just taking the green, the metallic green that I put down before, and I'm gonna just make sure that it's well blended into the other shades so that my halo looks really very nice. I'm going to do my wing and the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back with the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.